My name is Li, and I have a story. My cousin got disabled from stroke earlier this year at the age of 48. Like him, 500,000 Americans are suffering from stroke-induced disability every year, which causes us very heavy social burden. This brain computer interface, or BCI, based on process imagining the motion without doing it. We call it motor imagery, can help restore the motor function to rebuild the connection between the brain and the leg. But motor imagery itself is boring, so patients need to make a lot of effort to get good output. Fortunately, VR can provide an immersive and interactive environment for the patient to make them have more engagement. Therefore, VR EEG can make motor imagery more effective. However, currently, the commercial VR EEG is not designed for the stroke rehab, and they are very expensive. Mostly used VR EEG are based on VR and gel-based EEG electrode. They need 1 hour to set up, and after use, the gel will stick onto your hair. You cannot remove it without taking a shower. And it also needs a specialist to set up and guide the training. So we provide a sponge electrodes-based integrated VR EEG system for stroke rehab. Here, our VR EEG can provide quick setup. You can directly take off without taking the shower, and no specialist required, so you can do that at home. More importantly, it is affordable. And we also provide the stroke rehab VR task, which is personalized to the patient, and it is adaptive to the mental workload of the patient. And also, to make the system work, we have this AI facilitated decoding system to decode the EEG and the input of VR. And there is no integrated VR EEG system for the stroke rehab. The reviewers are asking our regulatory and the product strategy. With that, we plan to start from our VR, from our electrode first. We collaborate with VR companies, and then we develop our VR EEG system for stroke rehabilitation. Our team includes members of working on materials, BCI, VR stroke rehab, and also commercialization. And last, please join me to make stroke rehabilitation easy and effective. Thank you so much.
Hello, Hongbin. First of all, sorry to hear about your cousin. I understand that stroke rehabilitation is a very long process, and congratulations to you for tackling this very large problem. I have seen a lot of VR systems set up for post-stroke rehab. I think the combination of the EEG component is very unique to your offering. So for commercialization, you do have a very compelling differentiator. I just want to better understand, you mentioned AI component and the machine learning of that EEG. Does the data set already exist? Where do you plan to get the data? How are you going to be embedding that into your offering to help patients from day one?
Yeah, this is a very good question, and it is also challenging for the whole program. So we need an online decoding method. So we need to have our EEG signal, and then so that is motor imagery signal, and we decode then the signal into the command as the input of the VR system. So we need high accuracy decoding, and also because we have both VR and the EEG, we need to reduce the time latency between VR and the EEG. Fortunately, we have the members working on AI and machine learning, and so they can help us. Yeah, thank you.
Just a follow-on question. I'm not an AI expert, but
me neither.
So what I'm hearing is that this body of data does not currently exist yet. You need to build the decoder, and then you need to collect the data?
We collect the data, and we decode at the same time.
Okay.
So we just need to reduce this time latency.
I'm just wondering if there's an opportunity for you to find other EEG companies. I have talked to one. I'm happy to connect with you afterward to see if maybe you can speed up that data collection process.
Yeah. Actually, we have the collaborators for EEG companies. So they are helping us to validate our sponge electrode. And also, Meta Reality Lab also visited our lab and they said the integration is very interesting and they are quite interested. And so because our VR EEG is based on that affordable Meta Quest 2 to make it affordable.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.